Assalamualaikum and a very good day. We bid to Dr. Abdul Hadi bin Makdawi, our lecturer for EDUP 3053 Technology in Teaching and Learning. For today, my group members, Lokaiwan, Siti Khadijah Adila, and I myself, Nurul Aisha, will be doing a group presentation for our design website. So our given task requires us to discuss how the website is built and used in our teaching and learning process based on the Azure instructional design model. I will be starting our presentation now. First of all, in this modern era, educational website can be widely used, especially during COVID-19 pandemic, and teachers, according to Agustani and Ansari, teachers should master the ability to build an effective website via technology. Today, we choose the website built by me myself, and we are choosing to analyze how the website is built based on Azure instructional design model, which has the goal of producing a more effective teaching and learning process in the classroom. First, let's take a look at the chosen website. Okay, so this is the website. I will go through the website quickly, just a brief tour of the website. So this is the topic. The topic is about my new house. This is a lesson for year 3. There's a few elements of media here, learning objectives. And our specific subtopic is about preposition of place. A few activities to be done. And the next subtopic is about possessive pronouns. And that is all the main learning activity in this website. There's also the activity. There's also a part of further activities to be done to enhance students' understanding. And then we have archive, contact, and FAQ. And the exit button to go back to the main page. And that is all for our website. Okay, next, I will pass to Lo Kai-wen to discuss about the first part of Azure instructional design model.
Okay, thank you, Aish. So for the first part of Asia is to analyze your learner's characteristic. So in this stage, a teacher have to analyze and also focus on the learner, which is our students, their characteristic which are associated with our learning outcome desired. So like for example, the teacher can identify the targeted pupil. So in this website, which is year 3, and also teacher will also recall on pupil prior knowledge by providing a quiz for them to assess. And then teacher know how to relate the content with their prior knowledge. So in this page, teacher also uses a lot of different types of elements such as songs and the visual element to arouse pupils' interest in studying the website. So the second part of Asia is to state objective or to state learning objective. So in this website, we can clearly see that the teacher has stated the standards and also the objective for the learning module as a specification or as a guidance for what the learners have to know or provide a scenario for the learner to be able to know what are the result or the outcome of all these websites. So, for example, the teacher already state clearly about the learning objective in the beginning, and then the teacher also set the suitable learning objective, which is suitable with pupils' level. So, in this website, we can able to see that there are two learning objectives stated by Aish, which is the website builder. So this fulfills that the rules in Asia models. Okay, so now I will pass to Adila to continue the next stage of Asian model.
Thank you, Kaiwen. So the next part of Asia model is select, modify, or design materials. So in this part, the creator of the website need to choose suitable instructional strategies, technology, and media that will bring the results that the teacher wants. So um, this website, it is more student centered as they need to carry out self-learning via the website build. Then the teacher uses video and song for the pupils to help them interpreting the knowledge rather than just using words, because some of them are more familiar with rhyme or visuals. And then teacher also applies different types of attractive images which are aligned with the contents. So that when the pupils study, they can enhance their understanding on the content. And then lastly, teacher insert link for the enrichment activities in this website, so that the pupils they can redo them as self-assessment. The next part is utilize media. So in this part, we need to plan how to utilize the selected technology, media, and the materials to achieve the objectives. After you selected, this means that after you have selected, modified, or designed the materials, you need to decide on the materials functions, where will you put the materials, and how you want the pupils to use the materials. So on this website, videos and songs are being used during the self-learning, as the students they watch the videos and sing along with the song to understand the new knowledge better. And then the next materials is images, which are being used for the pupils to analyze the images and for them to understand the meaning of the sentences better. And the last one is live worksheets and quiz. So the creator of this website, which is Nurul Aisha, has embedded some live worksheets and quizzes for the pupils to test their understanding after they go through the website. And then the next one is require learners' participation. So in this part, students need to practice what they have learned. As I mentioned before, the creator has embedded some live worksheets and quizzes for the pupils to test their understanding. So these medias, which is the quizzes and live worksheets, has made this website as an interactive website. Plus, the students can check their answers right after they answered the quiz and worksheet. So this way, they can check if they have some misunderstanding when they go through the self-learning. That's all from me. So I pass to Nurul Aisha.
Alright, so for our last part of a show model, which is evaluate and revise, the teacher will need to evaluate students' assessments and compare students' achievement with the learning objectives. The teacher will also revise the instructional materials and the effectiveness of the elements in the lesson. So from this website, the teacher has distributed a Google form link of 10 questions to assess students' achievement before and after the lesson. So they answered the questions before they go through self-learning with the website and also after they had gone through the lesson. Next, the teacher will revise instructional materials and elements of the lesson after the teaching and learning process. This means that the teacher will be able to revise if the material is suitable for the pupils or if they need to be changes. Okay. This is our references for our presentation just now. And we will now go to a Q&A session.